Today we discuss about vitamins and vitamin deficiency diseases. First of all, vitamins. What are vitamins? Vitamins are nutrients that we get from the food we eat. They are essential nutrients needed by us to remain healthy. Our body cannot produce vitamins, so it is important to eat vitamin-rich food. We get most of the vitamins from fruits, vegetables, nuts, egg, meat, and fish. Vitamins are of two types: fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins mix up with our body fat and are stored until we need them. Fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K are fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins mix with the blood and flow through our body. Our body absorbs the vitamins it needs. The leftover is removed from the body through urine. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin A. Sources of vitamin A. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli, orange and yellow fruits like carrots and mango, milk and milk products, fish, meat, and egg. Health benefits. Important for eyesight, keeps our teeth and bones healthy, boosts body's ability to fight infections. Vitamin B. Sources of vitamin B. Milk and milk products, meat and fish, nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashew nuts. Health benefits. Helps in converting food into energy. Vitamin C. Sources of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like orange and lemon, green vegetables like spinach, capsicum, cabbage and broccoli, pineapple and mango. Health benefits. Important for healthy skin, gums and blood vessels. Helps in faster healing of wounds. Vitamin D. Sources of vitamin D. Sunlight, milk and milk products, fish. Health benefits. Important for strong bones and teeth. Vitamin E. Sources of vitamin E. Whole grains, dairy products, nuts, green leafy vegetables. Health benefits. It keeps our heart healthy, cleans our blood vessels and helps our body to fight infections. Vitamin K. Sources of vitamin K. Green leafy vegetables and broccoli, dairy products and soybean oil. Health benefits. It helps in blood clotting. Water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are the group of vitamins that dissolve in water and are thus transported to various body parts. Although these vitamins are easily carried, they are not stored in the body. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex and vitamin C. B complex group further constitutes of vitamins, namely B1, that is thiamine. Thiamine aids in nervous system development and its deficiency causes beriberi. Next, riboflavin, that is B2. It is important for red blood cell formation and iron metabolism. Its deficiency causes anemia. Niacin, that is B3. It helps to protect heart by reducing bad cholesterol. Next, pantothenic acid, that is B5. It helps in production of stress and sex hormones. Next, pyridoxine, that is B6. It strengthens immune system and its deficiency causes anemia and skin diseases. Next, biotin, that is B7. It plays a role in maintaining good skin and nails. Next, folic acid, that is B9. It plays crucial role in RBC synthesis. Its deficiency causes anemia. Next, cyanocobalamin, that is B12. It helps in RBC formation and nervous system development. Its deficiency causes anemia. Next, ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. It is associated with maintaining bones, cartilage, teeth, immune system, formation of collagen, absorption of iron, and in wound healing. Deficiency of this vitamin causes scurvy. Okay students, this is about vitamins. The vitamins table which is given in textbook is difficult to memorize. So I made it quite simple and easy for you. Do memorize this table only in the examination point of view. Thank you.